Hey guys, so to start this lesson, I want you to listen carefully to the words I'm going to say. And if you hear a word that ends in the k sound, raise your hand, all right? Our first word is stop. Did you hear the k sound at the end of that word? Nope. What about the word king? No k sound at the end of that word. What about the word lock? We heard the k sound. Let's try the word floss. There is no k sound at the end of that word. Next, let's try the word block. I heard the k sound for that word. What about stick? Hand in the air. And what about kiss? No, the k sound does not come at the end of that word. Now, I want you to listen to these words and give a thumbs up if the vowel sound is short and a thumbs down if the vowel sound is long, okay? Remember, with long vowel sounds, the vowel sound says the name of the vowel. Our first word is brick. That is a short vowel sound, so thumbs up. Next, let's try the word break. I heard a long vowel, I heard the A sound, so we're going to do a thumbs down for that one. What about the word bike? That is a long vowel sound. The I for in bike is the long vowel sound. What about the word clock? Thumbs up because that is the short vowel sound. Let's try the word deck. Can you say deck? I heard the short vowel sound. What about the word poke? Poke has a long vowel sound. We hear the O sound. What about the word luck? Say luck. We hear the sound, so it is that short vowel sound. Good job. We are going to learn about and practice the rule for how to spell one-syllable words that end with the sound k. I'm going to hold up 3 words, and we're going to take a turn saying each of these words. Our first word is back. Can you say the word back? Next, say the word pick. Then can you say the word stock for me? Stock. There is something interesting about a word with one syllable, a short vowel sound, and that ends with the k sound. When we write them out, like we have in these words, we spell the k sound with the letters CK at the end. So look at the word stock. We have a CK at the end. Short vowels are special, and often they need to be protected. So we add the letter C to the K at the end to help protect that short vowel sound right in the middle. So let's look at these words again. We have the word back. We're not going to spell it just B-A-K with no C. We're going to spell it B-A-C-K. So all of these words, pick, stock, and back, all have one syllable, a short vowel sound, and the end in the sound k. So remember, we need to protect that short vowel sound, so we add an extra letter. We add that C right before the K. Pick, stock, and back. This is called the CK rule. So when a one-syllable word has a short vowel sound right before the ending sound k, the final consonant letters are CK. So let's look at 3 more words. We have the word bike, we have the word pike, and we have the word stoke. Now the long vowel sound, each of these words indicates that they are not spelled with the CK. They just have the K sound because there's no short vowel in the middle of the word that needs to be protected. These all have the long vowel sound. In bike, what is our long vowel sound? Right, it is I, bike. What about in the word pike? Our long vowel sound again is I, pike. What about in this word? Stoke. Our long vowel sound is O, stoke. Remember, the long vowel sound says the name of the vowel. Stoke. Oh, stoke. Look at two more words. We have the word sunk and we have the word silk. Now, in both of these words, you hear the short vowel sound, but only a K at the end. The reason that there is only a K at the end is because an additional consonant before that K, and that consonant does the job of protecting that vowel. So if there's another consonant, then you don't have to protect that vowel that's right in the middle. So they are not spelled with a CK. Now we're going to practice dividing up these words into the right category. So I made a chart. This column is short vowel sound words that end in CK. We have short vowel words that end just in K, and long vowel words over in this column. I'm going to ask you 4 questions for each of these words that I'm going to put up, and we're going to put them in the right column. Our first word is, Our first word is peck. So the first question, does this word have one syllable? Yep, there's only one syllable in the word peck. The next question is, what sound do you hear at the end of this word? We hear the K sound. Does this word have a short vowel sound? We hear the S sound. So which column does this go in? It's going to go in our short vowel words with CK. Now, I let you cheat a little bit on that one because I showed you the word first. For the rest of them, I'm going to say the word, we're going to answer the questions, and then I'll put the word up to see if you have it in the right column. Our next word is bank. So first question, does this word have one syllable? Yes, it does. What is the sound that you hear at the end of this word? Bank. We hear the K sound. Next question, does this word have a short vowel sound? Bank. No, we hear the long A, so we know it's not going to be in any of these short vowel columns. Bank is spelled B-A-N-K. So it's going to go over here in our long vowel word section. Bank. Okay, our next word, listen closely. Our next word is stuck. Does the word stuck have one syllable? It does. What is the sound you hear at the end of the word stuck? Right, you hear the K sound. Last question. Does this word have a short vowel sound? Stuck. It does. We hear the sound. Stuck is spelled S-T-U with that C-K ending. So which column do we want it to go in? Right, we're going to put it in our short vowel words that end in C-K. Your next word is take. Say the word take for me. Does the word take have one syllable? It does. What is the sound you hear at the end of this word? You hear the K sound. Last question. Does this word have a short vowel sound? Take. It does not. We hear the A sound, which we know is a long vowel sound. So take is spelled T-A-K-E. It does not go in the column that words that end with C-K. It's going to go over here to our long vowel words. Okay, listen to this next word. This word is clock. Say it for me. Clock. Does this word have one syllable? It does. What is the sound you hear at the end of this word? Clock. You hear that K sound. And last question, does this word have a short vowel sound? It does. Clock. We hear the sound. So do you think it meets the requirements for being a short vowel word that ends in CK? It does. All right, next word, hike. Say hike for me. Does this word have one syllable? It does. What is the sound you hear at the end of this word? K. You hear the K sound. Our last question, remember, does this word have a short vowel sound? Hike. It does not make the is sound. We hear the I sound, so we know that is a long vowel sound. Hike. H-I-K-E spells hike. If Mrs. Terry can get these lined up, it's going to go in that column. Okay, listen to this word. milk. Can you say the word milk for me? Okay, first question. Does this word have one syllable? It does have one syllable. What is the sound you hear? The vowel sound you hear? Sorry. What is the sound you hear at the end of this word? Milk. We hear the k sound. Does this word have a short vowel sound? It does. So sometimes our brain might think it met all of these rules, so it's going to go in this column. But milk is spelled M-I-L-K. It has that extra consonant on the end to protect that vowel. So it is just going to be a short vowel sound that ends in K. Good job. To review, what spelling rule did we learn today? Do you remember what it's called? It is called the CK rule. What is the CK rule? The CK rule is when a one-syllable word has a short vowel sound right before the ending sound k. The final consonant letters are CK. Can you guys read that with me? When a one-syllable word has a short vowel sound right before the ending sound k, the final consonant letters are CK. So proud of you guys today. See you later.